Hello everyone, in this video we have been given 9 to the power x plus 10 equal 10 to the power x plus 9. Now we are going to find the value of x. Answer: 9 to the power x plus 10 equal 10 to the power x plus 9. Then 10 to the power x plus 9 equal 9 to the power x plus 10. Then 10 to the power x plus 9 equal 9 equal 3 square whole to the power x plus 10. X to the power m to the power n equal x to the power mn. Then 10 to the power x plus 9 equal 3 to the power 2 into x plus 10. 10 to the power x plus 9 equal 3 power 2x plus 20. Take a log on both sides, then we get log 10 to the power x plus 9 equal log 3 to the power 2x plus 20. Log m to the power n equal n log m. Then x plus 9 into log 10 equal 2x plus 20 into log 3. X plus 9 into log 10 base 10 equal 2x plus 20 into log 3 base 10. Log 10 base 10 equal 1. Then x plus 9 equal 2x plus 20 into log 3 base 10 equal log 3. Then x plus 9 equal 2x log 3 plus 20 log 3. X minus 2x log 3 equal 20 log 3 minus 9. X common, x into 1 minus 2 log 3 equal 20 log 3 minus 9. Then x equal 20 log 3 minus 9 divided by 1 minus 2 log 3. Numerical value of log 3 approximately 0.47712. Then x approximately 20 into 0.47712 minus 9 divided by 1 minus 2 into 0.47712. X approximately 20 into 0.47712 equal 9.5424 minus 9 divided by 1 minus 2 into 0.47712 equal 0.95424. Then x approximately 9.5424 minus 9 equal 0.5424 divided by 1 minus 0.9524 equal 0.04576. Then x approximately 11.85. Thus, our solution x approximately 11.85.